Hi everyone, in this video I will explain you how to create project approval form. First you need to click add on school fee form and then load from template. You can search project approval form and then click load, select the template. Just check the dashboard, responses, questions and settings. After you refresh the page, click Gulfi form and get link. Just click continue and then go to your account. Click advance and then go to Gulfi form. Click allow. Then after that you will get the link like this. Just copy it and paste it on your search engine. Now the form is ready to use. You can also edit the form as you want. Like for example, for the questions, I will add the new row. Just copy and I will change the question type into radio button. And for example, I change the question into gender and the option I will fill it with male or female like this. So it will show like that. You can also change the question type into text. For example, I change for project type. So it will show like this. You can also delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so it will disappear like this. You can also change the body background color easily, so it will change into lavender like this. You can also change the title as you want. Thank you.